So this would be our third problem. We have to remove duplicates from the sorted array. Let's open the problem. So here we have given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order. Non-decreasing order is nothing but incremental order or ascending order, we can say. Remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same, then return the number of unique elements in nums. Consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the unique elements in the order they were present in nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums return k. So understand with this. So here we have they have given input 1 1 2. So what would be our output? Output would be 1 2, and we have to return this length of this particular array. I mean length of total unique element. This is the return type. This is the name of method they are passing nums as input. Let's understand the problem. We have given 1 2 2. This is our input array nums. Index start from 0 1 and 2, and what would be the output? Output should be like and 2, and we don't want this 2 anymore, and we have to return this length of this array. So this would be our k. So this problem we can solve with two pointer techniques. This is my k pointer and this is my I pointer. So I will start I from 1 and I will start k from 0. Why we are starting I from 1? Because the first element we don't want to compare, because it will remain the unique element and the array is sorted, so there is no point to checking from 0th element. So we will start from first element and will compare, and we will put values at kth position always. So that's why we are using k pointer here to put the value in the array, and we will check the condition if nums of I. So we will check nums of j, nums of I does not equals to nums of k. If they are unique, then what we will have to do? We will have to increment this k element and put value. Then we have to increment this kth element and put value to that particular position. So here this is our array. At first iteration, what happens? K is 0 and I is 1. So what our comparison says, I does not equals to num. Okay, I is 1, so both are unique. So what we will have to do? We will have to put, in that case we have to increment I to 1, I plus plus. I will become our 2, and into the second position we have to put. So here we will compare this I and k here, but we have to increase this k element. We need not to increase this I, because we have to increase this k first, k plus plus, and we have to put values at kth position of nums of I. This we have to do, and at the end we have to return this k plus 1. So by this we will be able to solve. At If you see here, at first iteration, this is my for loop int I is equal to 1, I less than nums of length and I plus plus. So under this loop we have to write. I have written this pseudo code. We can solve this problem as well in prompt lead code. So lead code prompt. So this would be our solution, since our I start from first. Okay, so second in I. Okay, so here I value is and k value is okay. Initially I value is 2 and k value is 1. So nums of I does not equals to nums of k. This condition is true. Then it comes under this loop, this if condition. This would be our if condition. Okay, so we will increase this k to k plus plus. Okay, because k is initially is 0, now k becomes 1. Okay, at nums of first position, what we are putting? Nums of I, and I start from first position. So in I we have 2, so what we are putting, this one is remains same, so we are putting at first position we are putting 2 because they are not the same. Now again it will reaches, I mean I will increase, so now I becomes first, this becomes 2. 2 means this 2 again came to this I, and in k now we have 2 as well. So now nums does not equals to nums of k, so I have 2 and k also have 2. This condition is incorrect, so it won't come under this particular block, then it will increase like that. So now we have k value having only just we have increased to 1, so the k value is right now 1. Now I want to return this because the length of array is 2, so that's why I have added this 1 here, so it will return k plus 1. I hope you understood. So let me solve using code. Okay, so we have int k is equal to 0, and we will start our int j is equal to 1, j less than nums of length, and j plus plus j or I, whatever you want you can write it. We have used I. Okay, let me replace with I. Okay, so this is our loop start from I. Now we have to write the if condition. If nums of k does not equals to nums of I, then we have to do some operation, otherwise we need not to do anything. So in that case what I will do, we will increase this k to 1, and now we have to put at kth position k is equal to nums of I. That's it. And now we have to return this particular, return k plus 1. Both test case have been passed. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, so we have successfully completed this problem as well. If you have any question, please comment, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.